Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be working on some fall bedroom decorating today. I'm so excited to share these ideas with you. I'm actually in my oldest daughter's bedroom right now. Her name is Kinsley, and if you've been around my channel for a while, then you know that both of my girls absolutely love to be included in all of our seasonal and holiday decorating. They just think it's so special when I bring those small seasonal touches into their room, just like I do the rest of the house, and they really love to be included. So I am so excited to get that done for them, but they did have a sleepover this past weekend, so both of their rooms are kind of trashed and desperately need to be tidied up before I can even think of bringing in any new decor. So I'm going to try to speed through that as quickly as I possibly can so that we can get straight on to that fall decorating. Okay, that did not take too terribly long, but man, did it make a huge difference. Kinsley has the smallest bedroom in the house, so when it's messy, it just looks like complete chaos, but it is also the most intentional room in our home, so when it's all put together like this, it is just so beautiful and so welcoming. If you happen to be new here, Kinsley's my oldest daughter. She's 8 years old, and this is her bedroom. She is an artist soul through and through. Like, since she was a young toddler, has consistently shown us how naturally gifted and talented and creative she is. She just adds so much art and life and creativity and spark into our family, and we're so proud of her and so thankful for her. And I really do feel like that part of her personality absolutely shines through in her bedroom. It's just a really important space for her, so I try to take that super seriously when I'm doing these kinds of decorating videos and really keep her at the heart and at the center and in mind with her preferences and what she wants. I know I've also mentioned this before, but her primary love language is acts of service, so when I do things like this and I do it right, it really goes a long way with her. Like, this is the best way that I can love her and the way that she understands and receives love. So I did get a few new pieces for her this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those out of storage and show you what we have to make the space cozy and welcoming and inspire some creativity for fall. All right, so this is what I've got going on in here. I have this huge tub of woven pumpkins. I've had some of these for a couple of years, but a few of them I actually found at the end of season clearance at Target last year, and they're just so beautiful. I'm really excited to decorate with these, and I thought that they would complement this rattan vase really nicely. This actually used to be in our living room bookshelf over there, but I just grabbed it out because I think it'll look great in Kinsley's room with some of these wildflowers in it. I just love these. They're some of my favorite florals, and the colors of these match in Kinsley's room perfectly. I got a couple of new items as well. This floral arrangement is just absolutely stunning, and I loved this little glass pumpkin with twinkle lights in it. I think that's just something extra special for her. But then really I'm just looking to incorporate like a neutral color palette that complements her bedroom and add a lot of interest through like textured pumpkins and a variety of textures. So we'll see how that turns out, but I'm going to take all this in there and see what I come up with.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. Why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
Kinsley's room is all finished and I just know that she is going to love this. I did keep it pretty simple because I didn't want to overwhelm the space with a ton of clutter, but the pieces that I did bring in here, they're just absolutely gorgeous and definitely did their job. I mean, look at this. I also feel like switching out these boxes was the right way to go. It really warmed up this space and feels a little bit more cohesive with her wallpaper there. And I just love all of the different textures of the pumpkins in here. I feel like it adds so much interest without having to go over the top. I feel like that's really key in a small space like this, but I just had so much fun doing this for her, and I know that she's gonna be so thrilled and feel like she is ready for fall. Okay, I just had to take a quick tea break because I feel like I am running out of steam, but we are in Sawyer's room now. If you are new, Sawyer is my 4-year-old daughter and she has such a spunky personality. She's so full of life, very bright, animated, colorful, and her room definitely reflects that. Anyway, Sawyer's decor is definitely going to be way more vibrant and loud and kind of a little whimsical. It is toddler friendly, so don't you worry. I'm not going to take any risks with like glass pumpkins or anything like that, but it's just super fun and super Sawyer. So anyway, her room is a hot mess, even worse than Kinsley's, so I need to get it tidied up, but let me show you. Just let me show you this mess.
But I don't know how, 'cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me.
Okay, so if you were to ever meet Sawyer, you would quickly realize that the way to this girl's heart is soft blankets, stuffies, and Halloween. And we're not quite ready to bring out all of the ghosts and goblins and Halloween decor, but we do have some really fun fall decor here. I'm going to show you in just a minute. I have it all over here, everything that I think I'm going to use. Now, her love languages are gifts and physical touch, as far as I can tell. She loves to be rubbed and she loves to get presents. So I do have some things from previous years that I'm going to be reusing and incorporating into her bedroom, but I did let her pick out a few new things, like a little theme for this year, and just a couple of items that made her feel really special and also allowed her to make choices for this space instead of me just doing it for her. And I love what she picked out. It is so cute. The first thing that she found that made her want to get a candy corn theme is this blanket right here. It is so cute. It's really, really soft and plush, and it's just got candy corns all over it. And then to go along with that, also from Home Goods, she got this little candy corn stuffy. It is so cute. It's got the cutest little smile and then little arms and feet. This is going to go on her bed, but it matches with this blanket perfectly, and I think she got them the same day. And then we were in Kirkland's looking for outdoor decor the other day, and they were putting out all their Halloween items, and guess what is included in the Halloween stuff at Kirkland's this year? Candy corn garland. How perfect is this? To go along with these cutesy little candy corn decorations, I have these little like pom-pom stems from Hobby Lobby. I got these a couple of years ago, and they're just a beautiful bright orange and yellow. I felt like that would complement the candy corns. And then I have this woven vase that they will go in. Also, these woven pumpkins from Target clearance last year, and this one from the Target dollar spot a couple of years ago. So everything is super lightweight and toddler friendly, like I was saying, but I just can't wait. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put up around her room.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be Friday, 'cause I am still.
Shut up. How stinking cute is this? This is perfect for a toddler for fall. And of course, my favorite part of any of her seasonal decor is always the little drawings that Derek makes to go in these picture frames next to her bed. These are her favorite too. He changes them out for every season and holiday, and he did such a good job on those little candy corns. They match so well with the stuffy she picked out and this little candy corn blanket. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I just know she's gonna love it. I also really like these little pom-pom stems in this woven vase. They are perfect for a toddler's room, and I'm definitely gonna have to see if they have them in different colors or for different holidays, because it would be so nice to be able to change these out every season and just kind of have this be on this little shelf all the time because I just think it looks so cute. I know the lighting is going to be awful when I try to show you the candy corn garland, but it's up there and it's absolutely beautiful. It matches with the rest and I just can't wait to show her. I know that she is going to be thrilled with how this came out. Okay, well, I'm all done decorating for today. I had so much fun. I hope that you all enjoyed. I cannot wait to call the girls in and show them all of their new fall decor. I know that they are just going to be thrilled with it, just like I am, and it's always so special doing this for them. But anyway, if you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate that. And subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join the channel. But anyway, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you all in the next one.